Welcome to HamCram2018. You are about to embark on a groundbreaking journey into the world of amateur radio. This class is designed to acquire your technical class license. So sit back, enjoy the ride. Sponsored by PittsField Community TV.
Okay, welcome back to HamCram2018. We're going to start in the Element 2 Technician class question pool. Number 1, what is the name for the standardized representations of components in an electrical wiring diagram? C is correct. What do the symbols on an electrical circuit schematic diagram represent? Correct. Which of the following is accurately represented in electrical circuit schematic diagrams? The way components are interconnected. What is component 3 in figure T3? Variable inductor, correct. What is component 4 in figure T3? An antenna. Which of the following is used together with an inductor to make a tuned circuit? Capacitor. What is a simple resonant or tuned circuit? An inductor and a capacitor connected in series or parallel to form a filter. What is component 1 in figure T1? Resistor. What is component 2 in figure T1? Transistor. What is the function of component 2 in figure T1? To control the flow of current. What is component 3 in figure T1? That looks like a lamp. What is component 4 in figure T1? That's a battery. What type of switch is represented by item 3 in figure T2? That's a single pole, single throw switch. What is component 4 in figure 2? That's a transformer. Whoop, I skipped one. Oh well. Well, the component component 6 in figure T2 is a capacitor. A little bit of a keyboard bounce on the remote there. What is component 8 in figure T2? That's your light emitting diode, or commonly abbreviated as LED. What is component 9 in figure T2? It's a variable resistor. Which of the following can be used to display signal strength on a numeric scale? That would be C, a meter. What best describes a relay? That's a switch controlled by an electromagnet. What type of circuit controls the amount of voltage from a power supply? That would be a regulator. What component is commonly used to change 120 volt AC house current to a lower AC voltage for other uses? Yep, that's B, a transformer. What is the name of a device that combines several semiconductors and other components into one package? That's C, an integrated circuit. What is the approximate amount of change measured in decibels, dB, of a power increase from 5 watts to 10 watts? It'd be B, 3 dBs. 3 dBs for every doubling. What is the approximate amount of change measured in decibels of a power decrease from 12 watts to 3 watts? That's C, minus 6 dBs, because we're losing power, going backwards, so negative. What is the approximate amount of change measured in decibels, dB, of a power increase from 20 watts to 200 watts? That would be 10 dBs. 20 times 10, 200, I guess. What does the abbreviation LED stand for? Okay. Give you an easy one once in a while. Which of the following is commonly used as a visual indicator? LED. What is another way to specify a radio signal frequency of 1,500,000 hertz? A, 1500 kilohertz. If a frequency readout shows a reading of 2425 megahertz, what frequency is that in gigahertz? That would be C, 2.425 gigahertz. How many volts are equal to 1 kilovolt? That is C, 1,000 volts. If an ammeter calibrated in amperes is used to measure a 3,000 milliampere current, what reading would it show? It'd be showing 3 amperes. Which of the following frequencies is equal to 28,400 kilohertz? Yeah, that would be A, 28.400 megahertz. Which of the following is equivalent to 500 milliwatts? Yeah, B, 0.5 watts or half a watt. How many milliamperes is 1.5 amperes? That'd be C, 1,500 milliamperes. How many microfarads are 1 million picofarads? Okay, it's actually one microfarad is so many picofarads there, it brings you up to 1 microfarad. How many volts are equal to 1 microvolt? Okay, and micro is always a representative of 6. I always try to remember, so it will be 1 millionth of a volt. 3, 6 number zeros, like 6 zeros for micro. Which of the following types of solder is best for radio and electronic use? Okay, rosin core solder. What is the characteristic appearance of a cold solder joint? Very good. C, a grainy or dull surface. Which of the following measurements are commonly made using a multimeter? That would be D, voltage and resistance. Which of the following precautions should be taken when measuring circuit resistance with an ohm meter? That's B, ensure the circuit's not powered. When you're checking for continuity or resistance and you have voltage, live voltage there, you're going to damage your ohms function on your multimeter. Which of the following might damage a multimeter? There you go. See, attempting to measure voltage while using the resistance setting. What is probably happening when an ohm meter connected across an unpowered circuit initially indicates a low resistance, then shows increasing resistance with time? Yeah, that's good. The circuit contains a large capacitor. And that's it.